All right, today we're going to be talking about the DV8 rear window Molle panels. We're going to be installing them today. It's not going to be a full instructional install video, but I'll do the best I can. But I can tell you, you had to do a little finagling. All right, let's go. What's up, gang? This is Steve from Pile Work Adventures. When you're finished work, you go find an adventure. And all means finished in Hawaii. And I'm finished work, so what we're going to do today is I got a product that I'm going to, and a project that I've been wanting to do, finally be able to get back to work on the Bronco, finally be able to put things together and moving around. I'm so excited. Anyway, what we're doing today is we're going to be working with the DV8 rear Molle panels for your back windows. We're going to be putting that together today, and I'm so pumped. Let's go. Okay, gang, working with the DV8 off-road rear Molle panels for your back windows. And look at this thing. I've had these for a few months. Finally be able to work on my Bronco. But this is the unwrapping for this thing. It is in this foam stuff. Looks pretty good. And I'm working inside today because it is a little bit chilly out here in Phoenix. A little foggy and wet. So I'm going to start putting this together. Then we'll head out to the shop. Well, my garage. All right, so this is what it looks like. Nicely wrapped. Oh yeah, it's good, man. These panels, that's gonna be pretty much plug and play. You got one side, the other side. Got your little bit of mounting hardware, a couple other pieces that go on this. So I'll probably put together this thing in here, then like I said, head out to the garage. All right, here are some of the tools you're gonna need. 13 millimeter wrench, 4 millimeter Allen bit, or one of these dealios, a ratchet, and a 50 Torx bit. 50 Torx bit. And that's it. All right, next we're going to take off the cap. We're going to unscrew this. I've already pre-started it, and it's always fun to use power tools. Just be careful, go slow. And that's it. So it looks like it's these two. Oh, sorry, these two right here. And let's see, get it right here, and then this one here. They have to come off. So we're going to take those off. All right, guys. I think the hardest part is, number one, getting the lock nut off of this, because you have to put the spacer behind this. So that took me a little bit of time. And then I had to loosen this, take this bolt, this nut out, because I have this type of Molle panel here. So it's really challenging to get it into this back window. And keep it really loose, and then get this screw in, and you have to kind of rock it forward. Same with these. It's a really tight fit, but once it gets in there, it'll be snug. I just got to tighten this bolt up right here on this end here, and I'll be done, and then I'll do the other side. So yeah, let me get that done. All right, gang, my phone died because I was filming a little bit. But right here is that little nut. We got lucky on this one because it came out with the bolt. The other one didn't. It was kind of stuck in there. So you just have to take that out and then put it behind this bracket here. And so yeah, make sure your seatbelt isn't twisted. It goes the right way. So anyways, we're going to re-put this back in and start tightening everything down on this side. And it just takes a little bit of time. Take your time. Don't get frustrated. And yeah, you just got to put it right up in here. Okay, so now I'll be able to get my trauma bag in there, and then also my new fire extinguisher. So, all right, looks good. All right, guys, that does it for me today. We got the DV8 Molle panels up. Like I said, I've got my trauma bag and my fire extinguisher on board now. I'm really excited about that. Everything fits, works with the other components. It took me a little longer than most because, you know, fit, and then things just won't fit, and they're just like, you know, they should. They're a little snug. So, but it's fit. It's all tight. And I'll let you know how if it rattles and shakes, but it seems pretty tight in there. All right. So thanks for watching. I thank all my subscribers and people who are watching this video. Thank you so much for taking the time to spend with me today. And if you like what you're seeing, like and subscribe. And yeah, if you finish work, pile work, as we say in Hawaii, pile work, go find an adventure. All right, go check them out.